What's up, party people? It's Crypto Conkai, and it's time for your 2-minute ticker. Bitcoin peaked at $123,000 this week, but pulled back to around $116,000 to $118,000 due to profit taking and hotter than expected CPI readings. Ethereum topped $3,080, now around $3,000. XRP surged to $2.90, driven by ETF anticipation holding strong near key resistance. Solana tested around $168 resistance, consolidating near $160 after a strong multi-month rally, and the total crypto market cap is right around $3.8 trillion. In Congress and Crypto Week, Genius Stablecoin Act, Clarity Market Structure Act, and Anti-CBDC Act are all under debate. Initial procedural vote failed due to GOP infighting, but Trump brokered a deal late Tuesday. 4 votes are expected today. These bills could deliver first ever clear U.S. crypto regulations, fueling market optimism. Some macro factors to pay attention to. June CPI data came in at around 2.7%, hotter than forecasted, dampening short-term risk appetite. Fed likely to be on hold at the next meeting here in July. Inflationary pressure from tariffs do remain, so just keep in mind the next Fed meeting, if they don't drop interest rates this July, will be in September, not August. Tariff escalation adds to near-term volatility, but not derailing longer-term crypto sentiment. Some institutional and ETF news. BlackRock supports $14 billion in inflows into crypto ETFs in Q2. That's the fastest growth ever. ProShares launching XRP futures ETF this week, adding fuel to the XRP rally. New Solana staking ETF has launched, blending DeFi yields with ETF structure, and that's the first of its kind, by the way. And you're seeing a lot of corporate buying. Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, crossed 600,000 Bitcoins owned after buying $472 million in Bitcoin just last week. Some global developments. Europe launches USDG stablecoin under the MiCA framework. Regulatory clarity supporting growth, by the way. Hong Kong Bitcoin ETFs have hit record highs. And Bank of England and Fed softened stances on crypto banking services. So you're seeing a lot of things come together also globally. What to watch for today? House floor votes on key crypto bills. Again, watch for Genius Act and Clarity Act passage. Market reaction to post-CPI rate expectations and bond yields. I want to keep an eye on that. XRP ETF launch timing and impact on the XRP price. So you could see XRP break that $3 range, and Bitcoin holding above $116,000 as of this newscast. I think we're closer to around $119 as we near term support, and also Ethereum. Look for that holding above $3,000. So the bottom line, even with the CPI-driven pullback, crypto sentiment remains bullish. U.S. regulatory clarity and institutional adoption and global progress are creating a strong foundation for the next phase of crypto growth. That's your 2-minute ticker. Hit subscribe to stay on top and be ready for that next drop.